Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Breeze for Breeze Media. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all the step-by-step procedures on how you can connect your laptop to your monitor and make it display two different scenes at the same time. Most people out there have monitors and they have laptops, but when they connect them together, they both monitor and laptop begin to display one and the same thing at the same time. I'm going to show you how to arrange that in such a way that a different scene or a different screen will be displayed on your monitor and a different screen will be displayed on your laptop. However, this is also going to help those of you out there who have only the laptop and you're mingling, sharing your laptop screen into 2, 3, or 4 sections in order to have different screens display at the same time on your laptop screen. Your laptop screen may just be the 15 inches laptop screen. Sharing that into 4 is going to make your things or your work or anything on it so little and tiny. Why not use your monitor? So watch this video from beginning to end and learn how to connect your monitor to your laptop and make it display 2 or 3 different scenes at the same time. And more to that, another advantage of using this method is when you connect your laptop to your monitor, it helps you because the monitor screen is bigger than the laptop screen, which gives you a lot of room. Even if you want to share your monitor screen into 2 or 3 equal parts, it's still going to be more bigger than sharing your laptop screen. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to end and learn how to do this exercise and enjoy using your laptop or your monitor in doing your day-to-day activities.
For you to be able to project your laptop screen to your monitor screen, we will be needing an HDMI cable, which is going to be used to transmit information and images from your laptop to the monitor, considering that your monitor came along with a power cord cable.
But before I show you the video, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to support me. Please, I beg of you, subscribe. Don't ignore this. Subscribe. Thank you very much for subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment at the comment section as well, as your comment will help me to improve in my content creating skills. Thank you very much. Let's jump into the video. Watch the video. See you at the end.
Here's the end result of what we should get. So at the end of the day, we should have a screen like this displaying 2 different scenes at the same time. Let's watch the video.
So it depends on the type of monitor you are using. But what I have here and what I'm going to show you is what will apply to any other monitor you are using, no matter what type of monitor you're using. It applies to all monitors that uses HDMI port. So make sure you check your monitor if it uses HDMI port or not. So this will apply to every monitor that has an HDMI port. This is how your monitor is going to look like. As you can see, these are the ports that I have behind my monitor. Here you can see my HDMI port. This is the HDMI port and this is the power port, right? This is the power port. So what we're going to be doing right now is getting our HDMI cable, which is this one, and slotting it into our HDMI port behind our monitor. You see, I've slotted my HDMI cable over there and also get my power cord and slot it into the power cord port, right? Okay, when you're done doing this, you put your monitor in place. The next thing to do after this is plugging up your monitor to a power supply socket. Here I plug in my monitor, my power supply socket. The next thing you need to do now is to get your laptop. As you can see, these are the ports that I have on my laptop. It depends on the type of laptop you have. I'm using an Acer laptop. These are the ports I have. You get your HDMI cable and connect it to this HDMI port. To this HDMI port as we did on the monitor. Let's get it connected. The next thing you need to do is to get your HDMI cable and connect it to the HDMI port on your laptop. As you can see, I have an HDMI port on my laptop. So make sure your laptop has an HDMI port as well. You get your HDMI cable and connect it to your HDMI port on your laptop. As you can see right now, my laptop and my monitor are both connected. As you can see here, after connecting my monitor to my laptop, they're all displaying the same image. For example, if I open up Google Chrome, they're all going to display the same image as you all can see. Anything that is happening on the laptop is also happening on the monitor. So right now, For example, if I open up my YouTube channel on the laptop, you see it is opening on the monitor. Everything that is displaying on the laptop is also displaying on the monitor. So in order to prevent this from happening, what I need to do is to go to settings on my laptop. From settings, you go to systems, go to display on your laptop. This menu will pop up where it says system display. At this point, what I'll need to do is to click on where it says duplicate this display. I'll click here and this menu will pop up. I will select extend this display. Click on extend this display. As you can see right now, my screen has changed, but I haven't confirmed it yet. They're still asking if I want it to be this way. I will say yes, keep changes. And right now, as you can see, what is displaying on my laptop is now different from what is displaying on my computer. I'll close this page. And here, as you all can see, if I open up Google Chrome again on my laptop, it doesn't display on my monitor any longer. Now, if I want it to be on my monitor, I will have to drag it from here and bring it over to my monitor. Now it is displaying on my monitor. Instead of me sharing two screens or sharing my laptop screen, squeezing myself in my laptop screen, as in sharing my laptop screen this way, displaying two screens and mingling around and struggling, the best thing to do is to get a monitor, pull one screen to the monitor, which will even make it more bigger and enlarge the other screen on your laptop. And right now, you can do a great job. So as you can see, I'm able to display two different screens doing two different activities on two different screens at the same time. This one this way is just stop. This one is actually displaying my YouTube channel, right? Why this one is just displaying Google Chrome homepage. Another little tip I will give you all before I go is when you get to where we connected our screen to display settings, you can choose how you want your screens to be or how you wish to be switching from one screen, or you can choose how you would like your mouse pointer to be working around. You see, it goes to the left and goes to the other screen because I stand the screen by my left. But should in case you want yours to go to the right or your screen is standing by the right, you don't need to go to the left to go on your screen, on your monitor, which is standing by the right. All you need to do is to get here. If I carry this is my screen one is my laptop, and my screen two is my monitor. You see, my monitor is by the left. Screen 2 is by the left and screen 1 is by the right, which means if I want to leave screen 1 to screen 2, I'll leave from right to left this way. But now if I want to go this way, let's say my monitor was at the right side of my laptop, I will have to pull here on screen 2, take screen 2 over to where screen 1 is and release it. Once I release it this way, it means for me to get on my monitor, I will have to take my mouse to the right to get on my monitor. When you do this, you need to click apply. Once you click apply, the change has been applied. You see, when I go to the left now, I'm unable to pull through to my monitor. But if I go to the right, I'll be able to get to my monitor. So this is a little tip that I'm just giving you out there to take into consideration. So this is how to connect your screen. This is how to connect your two screens, your monitor and your laptop at the same time. Welcome back. I'm sure you enjoyed the video you just watched right now. If you have watched this video up to this extent, I really want to appreciate you for taking your time to watch it up to this extent. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do where to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that once I post another interesting video in the days ahead, you will be notified and you'll be one among the very first people to watch that video. Please don't also forget to browse through my channel in order to take advantage of many other videos which I've already created and uploaded on my channel for you and your loved ones out there. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give a thumb up to this video. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Thank you.